I was kicked out of the group. They kicked me out. I just wanted to know how I can go in my linen closet and it not smell like death. That was it. That was it. Should I go back to the disposable ones? Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save Adime. More than likely you are here because you want to know more about the reusable bamboo sanitary napkins. Now, I'm going to load 2 videos below. I think it's maybe 2 or 3. I have a little mini playlist about sanitary napkins, how I wash them and all that good. No, actually I shouldn't because I'm doing things different now. Yeah, up here somewhere I'll show you a little video of what I'm doing currently. Yeah, because I was kicked out of a group. Yeah, and all I wanted to know was how I can get the smell of death out of these things. And yeah, so my whole thought was, forget it, screw it, buy new ones. So I bought my daughter some new ones and I bought me some new ones so we can have ours color coded. These are mine, these are hers. But then, before I was kicked out of group, someone did share some information with me, so that was a good thing. Now, if you are new to my channel, make sure you join my family by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. I'm trying to figure out this schedule so I don't have a consistent schedule, but I know I want to load at least 2 videos a week. So you don't miss those, make sure you hit the notification bell so it can notify you and you don't miss out. So let's get into it. Yeah, I've been using these for some years, and what has happened is I have decided to change different ways that I will be washing them, storing them, and all of the above. Now, we're gonna cut straight to the chase. The best way that I found so far is remove them straight from your body, wrap them up. Mind you, let me show you. If you are new to this and don't know anything about it, I did a video showing you how much they hold. This is a heavy, this is a actually panty liner, and then we have the actual regular pads. So you see the difference in the sizes, right? So these are the new ones, these are the old ones, and I want to show you. All you do is say this has been used and it has been soiled. Boom, 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 boom. You button it, so cute, bam. Now, I have this wet bag hanging in my linen closet. The back side is for the pads, the front side is for the panty liners. So I can separate them because panty liners don't usually be soiled with blood. They're just for everyday wear. So I put them in here. I know, you're like, but they're not, no. I used to wash them out. And after I washed them, I would soak them in a bucket with baking soda and vinegar. Bad idea. The water mixed with the blood, mixed with the thyme and the air. They smell like death. They smell like death. And I couldn't take it. And then not only did they smell like death, but for some reason it started to make the pads, I don't care if I did a deep wash for 4,065 hours, they still came out with a smell that was like, okay, who had that on? Yeah. So I said, you know what? Forget it. I'm not going through this. I'm going to buy her some new ones and I'm going to buy me some new ones. And during that process of waiting for the new ones to come, I had thrown a couple away. Now I was in this group on Facebook. I'm not even going to mention it because they kicked me out. Yeah, they kicked me out. I'll tell you why. So they kicked me out the group and I was getting a lot of feedback. And so the feedback I got, you will see in the video somewhere around in here, was how to wash them. And the best way to do it was to take them completely off. Do not rinse them. Do not wash them. I know, guys. Stick them in the bag. I'll tell you what, I've been doing that the last couple times. I go in my linen closet. Didn't smell like death. I was afraid to get things that I felt like it was going to taint everything in my linen closet. I was over it. I was so over it, okay? I was over it. I said, we have to find another way. Let's just buy new. Let's start over fresh. So when I found out how you could strip them and get the odors out of them, no matter how long the odor's been or no matter how long the blood was, by using the oxy stuff that you see in the video, I'm gonna try to put it in here somewhere. I was like, okay. I was a little mad. I think I threw like 4 of them away. I said, I'm going to revive these, because before I was kicked out of the group, a lot of women said they stripped theirs, and when they was able to get them, the blood out of them and any scents out of them, and they're like back to normal. It is cloth, and I felt some type of way because I'm a queen of recycling and not throwing away stuff that I know that'll sit in the landfill. So fast forward, I got them clean, and by doing what you'll see in that video, and I've been doing it this way, and this way works so much better. I'm telling you, once I soak them, that blood comes up, it comes out without a problem. I don't have any issues. Now all three of us have our own bag. This is mine. If you remember when I shared this video about the sanitary napkins years ago, this bag is still rocking. It is still solid. It is still, listen, it is still well put together, and I'm still using it. It's hanging right in my linen closet just like this, and every time I use it, I put it in there and zip it up, and then when it gets full and I'm done with my time of the month, I'll just soak them in a bucket with the Oxy, let it sit for an hour or two, go in and rinse out as much of the blood as I can so I don't see as much blood coming out, and then I toss them in a wash machine with some more Oxy and vinegar in the actual softener area where you put fabric softener, because vinegar is a natural fabric softener. So throwing that out there for you. It's not good to use fabric softeners, and it's not good to use bounce sheets on these because it will ruin the actual cloth in the inside and make it less absorbent. Now you can, it's still going to absorb, but not as much as it would when it was brand new. So just so you know that. So yeah, they have different sizes. I barely use this. I might use it, and I only have one of these. I might use this my first day when I'm very, very heavy. Other than that, I don't really use the overnight one. I usually wear the medium size one. And like I said, this is my daughter's, but this is just, imagine this pad with the gray completely covering all areas of this. Like you wouldn't even see the fabric. That's how mine are made. And you will see that in the video. I'll leave the links below. And this is the panty liner. This is an everyday wear. This is when Tom is here. And this is when I'm extremely heavy. And I know I'm going out and I have to make sure this captures a lot. I wear the big boy. And I think I might get me maybe one or two more of these just to have for those days where, you know, I don't have time to be changing the pad and doing all that when I'm out and about and I know I'm gonna be out for a while. I'll get me another one of these big boys. So these are the three sizes, and they have one even bigger and longer than this, but these have worked fine for us. This is definitely worked fine for the regular days, and I'm very heavy. Like, I'm a heavy person. I usually wore overnight always pads, or either the Great Value Equate pad overnight. Yeah. So very heavy, and I would use at least 4 to 5 a day, but with these I might use 2 in one day. And then this is when I get real light, when it starts to phase out, my period starts to phase out, I can wear this, or I just wear these every day. I was always taught to put a panty liner in your panties and not just wear your panties on your skin. So I've always been a panty liner girl. So these are the panty liners. This is just giving you information. I am not going to go back in the toxic crap of these because I already did a video. It was in depth. But if you care and you want to know, I will leave the link about the toxic mess that's in those pads that's giving us endometriosis, cervical cancer, ovarian cancer, and different issues where we are not fertile and we are having to have hysterectomies very early. These are my pads. I'm thinking strongly. I'm going to be returning these. I'm going to be returning these because I don't need them, and I was able to strip my pads, but I'm going to let my baby keep hers, and I'll just keep all the old ones. So I'm going to be returning those, and I'm really strongly thinking about starting a group on Facebook that strictly is about pads. I don't care where you get the pads from or anything, and I have some things in the background going on that I will be sharing with you guys in the future. I'm not selling anything. I got my pads when we first got them off of eBay. They also have them on Amazon. I love the pads with the full bamboo, but I haven't been able to find them as much, but they do have them. They're a lot more expensive, but when I bought them, they were a great deal. So I just want to come to you, let you know I'm still rocking with these. I'm sharing, like I said, in this video somewhere, how I wash them currently. And I think I just showed the washing method. And then after they, the washing machine stops, I just throw them in a dryer. Nothing major. Fold them up, put them in a basket, and I just grab them when needed in a basket in my linen closet. So yes, still rocking with the pads. And yeah, so if you're interested more in learning more about these, and you think I should do a group and you've already bought these from when I first shared these years ago, that way we can have more talk about them and sharing them with other women, because this is greatly needed and this is great information. And if you have a daughter that hasn't experienced the time yet, you can already be prepared for her, to protect her from all those toxic things that they are allowing in those pads that are causing so much bad and toxic elements in our body. So I hope this was a helpful video. If it was a helpful video to you guys, make sure, I'm sorry guys, I took my pen out because I wasn't going to record. I started taking my pens out my hair and I didn't want to go get it. So yeah. Make sure, if you are new to the channel, that you join my family by hitting that subscribe bell, hit the notification bell, as I already said. Join the family. Nothing but positive energy over here. Share the channel with friends and family. And also check out my inspiration channel, TheCPRVibe. I load morning inspiration every Monday through Friday at 6 a.m. So you don't want to miss out on that. And I'm trying to get that channel to grow because I want to do more self-talks and inspirational talks on there by going live. But you have to have so many views and so many subscribers to do so. So there's no me without you guys. And that's the way you can help me grow. Share. Support. I love you guys. And I guess that's going to be it. I will see you guys later, Gators.